Hello, my name is Chris Morales. I'm a criminal defense attorney in San Francisco, California. And today I want to talk about when you should or should not use the public defender's office. First of all, let's talk about the public defender's offices. They are set up to represent poor people, people who do not have the funds to hire a private attorney. The United States Constitution says that everybody should get an attorney if they are charged with a crime. So that's why we have public defender offices. They are funded by usually the counties and sometimes by the state. As you probably know by now, public defenders are very nice people, very sincere, but they are usually overworked and underpaid. They usually have very high volumes of cases, are handling lots and lots of cases. So if you do choose to use the public defender, you are not going to get a whole lot of personal attention. You may not even sit down in an office and talk to your public defender. They may be too busy to actually sit down and have a conversation with you. Many times you'll just meet them in court, outside in the hallway, minutes before your case is called. So, if you are going to use the public defenders, you have to be very proactive. Call them, not every day, but once in a while, to say hello, to see if you can have a sit-down interview with them. You want to get them all of your employment records, character reference letters. You have to do a lot of things on your own because they don't have time to do all the small things that go into defending a case, a criminal case. So you're going to have to take care of those things yourself. If you can afford to hire a private attorney, a good private attorney, it's always better because then you can rest assured that all the little things are going to be done and you're going to get the best possible defense. Now, there are times when you should use the public defenders if you qualify. And that is if you have asked around and talked to a bunch of people and the assigned public defender, the one that you have, gets very high ratings from everybody else. If you got a really good one and you qualify for the public defenders, you should stick with that public defender. The second time you should stick with the public defender's office is if you have a very complex murder case. So murder cases cost a lot of money if you're going to hire a private attorney. And so it could cost anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000. Not everybody has the sufficient funds to hire a good attorney, a good private attorney, to handle a murder case. So if you have a complex murder case and you qualify for the public defenders, the chances are that the best attorney in that public defender office will be assigned to that murder case. That's the way it works. As attorneys work their way up through the public defender's office, the best attorneys and the highest qualified attorneys end up with the juicier cases, which are usually the murder cases. So those are the two situations where you should use a public defender in a criminal case, if you qualify. For more information about criminal defense and about public defenders, please visit my website at www.sfcriminallawspecialist.com. You can also call me at 415-552-1215, and please follow me on Facebook and Twitter.